In this video we are going to break down the top 5 electronic drum pads, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for the perfect electric drum set for your young aspiring drummer? The Donner Dead 70 electric drum set is a complete package that includes everything your child needs to dive into the world of drumming. With 10 play-along songs and practice exercises, this set is ideal for beginners looking to develop their skills. Featuring 10 kits and 68 realistic drum sounds, the Dead 70 provides an enjoyable playing experience with its dynamic clarity technology. Plus, the flexible stand design allows for height and angle adjustments, catering to all young players. With the option to power up using an adapter or USB power bank, your child can rock out anytime, anywhere. Additionally, take advantage of the 40 free drum lessons from Melodics to enhance your drumming skills in any style. Contact customer service today to unlock these interactive lessons. Remember, we do not offer subscription services. If you're in the market for a portable and professional drum set perfect for kids and adult beginners, look no further than the JXW electronic drum set. This 9-pad roll-up portable drum kit MIDI practice drum pad machine comes with 2 built-in high-quality stereo speakers that deliver super bass effects. The volume can be adjusted to 9 different levels, and you can easily record your beats for later playback. With a rechargeable battery that offers up to 10 hours of playtime, you can take this drum set anywhere you go, indoors or outdoors. The soft silicone drum pads ensure a quiet experience, perfect for practicing without disturbing others. Additionally, the headphone jack allows you to enjoy your music privately. With 7 timbres, 4 demonstration songs, and 9 accompaniments, this drum set caters to all your performance and entertainment needs. A great Christmas or birthday gift option for any music lover. Looking for a fun and portable way to practice your drumming skills? The KMI's electronic drum set has got you covered. With 7 drum pads including a snare drum, toms, crash, ride, hi-hat, and foot pedals, this roll-up drum kit offers a variety of sounds and accompaniments for endless musical possibilities. The built-in speakers deliver real drum sound effects without the need for additional connections. Plus, with recording capabilities and a headphone jack, you can jam out quietly anytime, anywhere without disturbing others. The included rechargeable battery allows for hours of playtime on the road. Made of high-quality silicone, this drum set is flexible and foldable, perfect for taking your beats outdoors. Get ready to rock with the KMI's electronic drum set. Antoine from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "My child is obsessed with this drum set. The sound is great and it is very easy to set up." Looking for a portable and professional drum set that you can take anywhere? The Paxis electronic drum set is the perfect solution. With 1 snare, 3 toms, 1 crash, 1 ride, 1 hi-hat, and 2 foot pedals for the bass drum sound, you have everything you need to play different music styles. This roll-up drum kit is not only portable but also rechargeable, with a built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery that offers up to 10 hours of playtime per charge. You can even use headphones to practice quietly without disturbing others. The built-in dual speakers deliver astonishing bass effects without the need for additional speakers, and you can adjust the sound volume up to 10 levels. Plus, you can record and play demo songs. Connect the drum kit to computers via MIDI out jack or USB MIDI out jack to produce music or play games. The Paxis roll-up drum kit is a great gift for kids who love music and want to practice anytime, anywhere. If you're in search of the perfect portable practice drum pad set, look no further than the Slint Drum Pad Stand Kit. Ideal for beginners and seasoned drummers alike, this kit allows you to practice anywhere, anytime. The double-sided drum pad offers a realistic drumming experience with its high-density natural elastic rubber surface on one side and softer rubber on the other. Its sturdy wood frame ensures durability and stability for long-term use. Easy to set up and disassemble, this drum pad stand kit is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for practice sessions at home or outdoors. Take your drumming skills to the next level with the Slint drum pad stand kit. Jennifer from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great pad for the money." Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 electronic drum pads. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.